Adriomobil, and it will be presented by Anton Kastreuc.
Do you ever wish to spend your holidays in motion? I'm a born caravaner. Beautiful cities, long and lonely beaches, parking in some famous ski slopes. I done it all. Caravaning is my unique answer for all these places. However, being both agile on the road and having all the comfort in the motorhome is not a logical request. You are either too big for the roads or you don't have enough space. We wanted to override all these limits and design a small, agile, and comfortable car, but also having a living compartment with all the necessities you need to enjoy your day. We were having dinner once on the Gold Coast in Australia with our Aussie partners. While we are eating an excellent seafood, we are joking around how funny it would be to develop a slide-out system of our own in Europe. I need to mention here that this system is already well known in Australia and the States. We discussed this idea back and forth. What can we do? How we can do it? So, what did we in Adria do? We created additional space with the slide-out systems that enables you to increase the length of the vehicle for about 3/4 of meters. This is not a lot, but it's nearly half of your body length. During the process of extension, a sleeping room with comfortable bed is prepared at the same time. We did not want just to implement the already existing version. We wanted to bring a good-looking product to Europe. Our customers deserve extra usage value of higher quality. The compact motorhome is the excellent case of that. Since it's slightly shorter than 6 meters, taking a ferry don't cost too much, and you can also park it everywhere. Up to now, our product has been widely acknowledged. This was a very risky move. Most of our competitors usually test customer interest by presenting a mock-up. We skipped this part. We presented the final product ready for regular production. It was a complete hit. We surprised everyone, not only our competitors and customers, but also ourselves. Thank you.
Again, the rest of the team is invited on stage to get the prize. And in order to speed up this part where we're waiting for the rest of the team, I would kindly ask the rest of the companies who are yet to receive the Golden Award, when you see your front men pitching here, be prepared to come on stage fairly quickly. So this is the rest of the team. Congratulations, and now the award. Okay. Thank you.